Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Venus in the third house. What all happens when Venus is there in the third house of your Patrika, that is your birth chart. Well, Venus is a planet which shows luxuries in a person's life. It is a planet which shows your spouse, whosoever you are going to get married, how that person is going to be, that is shown by the placement of Venus and how, in what manner, in what position Venus is sitting in. So, Venus also shows good finances in your life. Venus shows luxuries. Venus shows having good relation with others. Venus shows beautification of anything, like how beautiful a person is, how well a person is able to carry himself in front of others is shown by Venus. When Venus comes in your third house is a house of short travels. It's a house of communication. Any kind of communication, like when you are communicating through your hands, that is shown by third house. You are communicating through emails or exchanging your ideas through internet, that is shown by third house. Third house is a house of courage. It's a house of determination. How strong you are to do something in your life is shown by third house. If your planets are strong in your third house, then you would see that person has strong determination in his life. Whatever the circumstances that person will go through, he will stand up back again if his third house is strong enough, or the planets sitting in are in a dignified position in the third house. So third house also shows communication, as I have told you. This house also is a house of siblings. Your younger siblings are shown by the third house. It shows short travels too. So what happens when Venus comes here? Well, when Venus comes in your third house, the person's relation with their younger siblings becomes very strong, and very good bonding starts getting made with their younger siblings when Venus is there in the third house. And while Venus placement in the third house also makes a person very courageous, as third house is a house of courage. So when Venus is here, then that person loves to take new new things, like they are ready to take bold steps in their life, and they are very easily can take that, because Venus is a planet of luxury. Venus shows good qualities of a person. So when third house, which is a house of efforts, it becomes very easier for them to do efforts, or they start enjoying their efforts. They are very easily able to perform their duties when Venus is placed in third house. Is the house of short travel. So what happens, the person is very much inclined towards traveling to short distance places, or he keeps on traveling, since third house is the 12th from 4th. So he always stay away from their motherland or from wherever they are born. If the dasha, provided the dasha of the third house should be running in his DBA, Dasha Bhukti Antar, or the planet which is sitting in the third house, it should be associated with the or conjunct with the Dasha or Bhukti planet. Then only the person will be able to enjoy the fruits of Venus in the third house. Okay. Well, while third house is also 4th from 12th. So 12th is settling abroad, and when third house is active, so it becomes easier for a person, since Venus is placed here, to stay away from the motherland and stay happily remain there and settle there, because from 12th house it is the 4th house. So 4th house is the house where the person resides, or it's a homeland. It becomes home for them. This placement also is shows a person who is into media industry, who is into mass communication, journalist, or people those who are into news channel or media industry can also be represented by third house, because therein you need to communicate your ideas, you need to exchange your thoughts, and you need to use internet there, a way of communication has to be used. But therein, your second house should also be in a dignified position, or second house should be strong, because second house is the house of speech. So with the house of speech and the house of communication, when they both are strong of a person, then it becomes easier for a person to work in IT industry or to work in media industry. They can exchange their thoughts and ideas very conveniently and very effectively. Okay, so third house also is a good placement. When Venus is here, the person can become a writer. They can easily write, or they can write novels, they can write books, which are very influential for people. Okay, when Venus is placed in a dignified position, then only these things can happen. What do I mean by dignified position? When Venus is sitting in a nakshatra of Jupiter, Sun, Moon, or you may say Venus is sitting in Venus nakshatra itself, then these are the placement, or in Mercury nakshatra, then these are the benefic houses nakshatra wherein Venus will give positive results. Or if Venus is sitting in a nakshatra of Rahu, Ketu, Shani, then it will be not giving such good results to a person in his life. Or either Venus if conjunct with negative planets, or the planets like Rahu, Ketu, Shani, malefic planets, or if Venus is, then it won't be giving good results. Or if Venus is sitting with the planet or conjunct with the planet like benefic planet, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Jupiter, then Venus is going to give very good results here. Plus, you have to check the houses also. What houses results the Venus nakshatra is giving, or Venus, star lord is giving. If it is giving the result of 6th house, 8th house, or 12th house, or either 8th house or 12th house, then the fruits of the Venus, or the benefit of Venus is not going to get by the person. The Venus will not be good enough for a person to give its positive result with the house placement of 6th, 8th and 12th. Or if Venus is sitting in the houses of 11th house, or 10th house or 2nd house, or Venus, if it's giving, Venus nakshatra is basically giving the result of 6th house, 10th house, 11th house or 2nd house, then it is going to be very fruitful for the person. He is going to achieve humongous success with his efforts with this placement of Venus. Okay, so guys, this was my observation on Venus in the 3rd house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you may keep on getting the updates on my videos. Thank you all for your love and support. Bye bye for now. Namaskar.